These last 2 weeks of January have had some really exciting stuff for all space enthusiasts. Let's start with the European Space Agency's Proba 3 mission. If you remember from a previous fun fact, the Proba 3 mission is a dual-probe technological demonstration mission devoted to high-precision formation flying to achieve scientific coronagraphy. This is an artistic rendering of the mission. I would love to give the artist credit, but I could not find any info on it. Sometimes the internet does not always tell you everything you want to know. Proba 3 consists of two independent 3-axis stabilized spacecraft, the Coronagraph spacecraft, CSC, and the Occulter spacecraft, OSC. The spacecraft fly close to each other on a highly elliptical orbit around the Earth, with an apogee at 60,500 kilometers altitude. By flying in tight formation around 150 meters apart, the Occulter will precisely cast its shadow onto the Coronagraph's telescope, blocking the sun's direct light. This will allow the coronagraph to image the faint solar corona in visible ultraviolet and polarized light for many hours at a time. This is effectively a man-made eclipse. Just so you know, creating an artificial solar eclipse in space is no easy feat. Proba 3's two spacecraft must hold millimeter-level alignment so that the Occulter spacecraft shadow falls exactly on the other spacecraft's coronagraph. Any slip and the sun's glare can easily overwhelm the faint corona. This amazing feat has been accomplished, and on January 19th, the ESA released an animation of the data from the two spacecraft into a free downloadable GIF. It's worth looking up. The inner solar corona in yellow is data from Proba 3's ASPIICS coronagraph, and the solar disk in dark orange is from the Atmospheric Imaging Assembly, AIA, aboard NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory. Then on January 26th, this was released to the world. Scientists using data from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope made one of the most detailed, high-resolution maps of dark matter ever produced. It shows how the invisible, ghostly material overlaps and intertwines with regular matter, the stuff that makes up stars, galaxies, and everything we can see. Published Monday, January 26th in Nature Astronomy, the map builds on previous research to provide additional confirmation and new details about how dark matter has shaped the universe on the largest scales, galaxy clusters millions of light years across, that ultimately give rise to galaxies, stars, and planets like Earth. This is the largest dark matter map we've made with the Webb, and it's twice as sharp as any dark matter map made by other observatories, said Diana Sconamiaggio, lead author of the paper and an astrophysicist at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Southern California. Previously, we were looking at a blurry picture of dark matter. Now we're seeing the invisible scaffolding of the universe in stunning detail, thanks to Webb's incredible resolution. Dark matter doesn't emit, reflect, absorb, or even block light, and it passes through regular matter like a ghost. Think Jacob Marley visiting Scrooge. But it does interact with the universe through gravity, something this new map shows with a higher level of clarity. Then just 3 days ago, this crossed my phone's screen. M87 and its cosmic blowtorch-like jet as seen by the Hubble Space Telescope. Using the Event Horizon Telescope, EHT, astronomers have tracked a 3,000 light-years long cosmic blowtorch back to its source, the supermassive black hole M87, which bears the distinction of being the first black hole ever to be imaged by humanity. Remember this photo from 2019? M87 sits at the heart of the galaxy Messier 87, located around 55 million light-years from Earth. The historic image of this supermassive black hole, which has a mass equivalent to that of 6.5 billion suns, was captured by the EHT in 2017 and was released to the public in April 2019 and covered by the Sunday Night Astronomy show. Not only is this supermassive black hole more massive than the one at the heart of the Milky Way, Sagittarius A, which has a mass around 4 million solar masses, but M87 is also an active black hole. That means it is greedily devouring its surrounding gas and dust as well as launching powerful jets from its poles. And unlike fussy people who only want white turkey meat, a black hole gobbles everything, including dark matter. And I should mention that the designation for the black hole always has where it's located, like Sagittarius A, but with an asterisk after it, or like M87 with an asterisk after it, to indicate that it is the black hole that belongs to that area. As fabulous as this capture is, the exact source of these jets around their black hole central engines and the precise mechanism powering them remains a mystery. And although this year is not a leap year, thinking about that 3,000 light-year long blowtorch, I had to include this.